Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is solving multi-step linear equations. To understand the concept, let's look at some questions. The first question says solve for x and we are given an equation that is marked here. Let's rewrite the equation and see how we can solve a multi-step linear equation. Minus 4x equals to 3x minus 23. Now here we see we have x terms on both sides of the equality sign. That is on the left side as well as on the right side. Now what we do is, the basic steps involved in this are: first simplify the equation, then put the x terms on one side of the equation, and then solve finally for x. So let's simplify the given equation first. We'll apply the distributive law and apply it over here like this. Negative 3 is distributed to both negative 4x and positive 1. Minus 4x equals to 3x minus 23. Now in the first step what we did, we multiplied negative 3 with negative 4x and then negative 3 with positive 1. Now negative 3 with negative 4 when multiplied gives us a positive 12x. Two negative numbers when multiplied, the answer is positive. One negative number, one positive number when multiplied gives a negative number. Minus 4x equals to 3x minus 23. Now we'll club the like terms together. 12x minus 4x is 8x. Minus 3 equals to 3x minus 23. Now we'll move the 3x to the left hand side. For that we will be subtracting 3x from both sides. That's how we do it. Then this 3x will be reduced to 0. This portion becomes 0. 8x minus 3x is 5x. Minus 3 equals to negative 23. Now we have to find out how we can isolate x from here. So for that we will first adding 3 to both sides. So 5x minus 3 plus 3 equals to negative 23 plus 3. Now negative 3 plus 3 becomes 0. So we are left with 5x equals to negative 20. Now in order to make the coefficient of x as 1, we divide by 5 on both sides. So 5x divided by 5 equals to negative 20 divided by 5. This becomes 1. Negative 20 divided by 4 is negative 4. So x equals to negative 4 is the final answer, which can be seen in option C. Let's look at the next question for better understanding. Solve for x and we're given this equation right here. Let's rewrite the equation. 3 minus 2 times 4x minus 2 equals to negative 5x minus 5. Our step remains the same. First we'll simplify the given equation, then move the x terms to one side, and then finally solve for x. 3. Now we multiply negative 2 times 4x, then negative 2 is to be multiplied by negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 equals to negative 5x minus 5. Now 3, negative 2 times 4x is negative 8x. A negative 2 times a negative 2 is a positive 4 equals to negative 5x minus 5. Now we'll put the like terms together. 3 plus 4 is 7. So negative 8x plus 7 equals to negative 5x minus 5. We'll bring the x term to the left side, that is by adding 5x to both sides, equals to negative 5x plus 5x minus 5. So this negative 5x plus 5x becomes 0. Over here negative 8x plus 5x is negative 3x plus 7 equals to negative 5. Now first we take the 7 to the right side by subtracting 7 on both sides. Let's see what we get. Now this becomes 0. So we're left with negative 3x equals to negative 5 minus 7 is a negative 12. Now we have to make the coefficient of x as 1 to find out the value of x. For that we will be dividing both sides by negative 3 equals to negative 12 divided by negative 3. This becomes 1. Negative 12 divided by negative 3 is 4. So we're left with x equals to 4 is the final answer and can be seen in option C. Let's look at the next question. Solve for x and we're given this equation. Let's rewrite the equation. 4x minus 3 minus parentheses negative 5x plus 4 equals to 4x minus 12. Let's simplify first. 4x minus 3, negative times a negative is a positive 5x, negative times a positive is a negative 4 equals to 4x minus 12. Now we'll put the like terms together. 4x plus 5x is a 9x, negative 3 minus 4 is a negative 7 equals to 4x minus 12. Now we'll bring the 4x on the left side by subtracting 4x on both sides. So this 4x minus 4x becomes 0. Now we put the like terms. This is 5x minus 7 equals to 0 minus 12. We'll take the 7 on the other side by adding 7 on both sides. 0 minus 12 is a negative 12 plus 7. Now this becomes 0 and we'll have 5x equals to negative 5. Now we have to make the coefficient of x as 1, so we divide by 5 on both sides. So 5x divided by 5 equals to negative 5 divided by 5. So this cancels out to become 1. This cancels out to become minus 1. So x equals to negative 1 is the final answer and can be seen in option B. I hope solving multi-step linear equations is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.